Most people today, because of the position we're in all day long, whether we're at computers or whether we're on our phones all day long, the curves start to become absent or even reversed. And it causes a tremendous amount of pressure on the discs of the spine, and even in the spinal nerves, they become compressed. And there's a lot of symptoms that stem from that. And that is 100% preventable if we teach you how to get the spine back into the proper position. I myself get adjusted every week. We've had patients come in here for 15, 16, one's been here for 17 years now, since the day we've opened, to make sure they're taking care of the most important thing in their life, and that's their lifeline that controls their health. If your spine is rotting, your nerves are also rotting. Think about that.